how to keep your PC awake without touching your mouse at all. All right, so today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that. So, firstly, what you have to do, you have to go to your settings, right? So, go over here and search up settings. Once you're in your settings, you have to go to system. There should be the second button after home. Then, once you're in your system, you have to click on power. So, one, two, three, four, five, the fifth option. Then, once you click on power, you should have the option right here. It said power, screen, and sleep. Click on that. Then right here, when it said when plugged in, turn off my green after instead of 5 minutes, just click on scroll down, click on never. Also for this, click on never. And that's how you keep your PC awake forever without touching your mouse at all. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you guys need any help in the comment section.